This didn't happen that long ago.
Anything else?
He's a government official. It says here on the ID.
Well, they've got to be close.
The sewers!
I knew it. It's Joker.
Well, into the sewers we go.
See, let's have some fun.
You've gone too far, Joker.
Why, this is just the beginning. Toodaloo.
Let's get back to the Batcave. We'll figure it out from there.
Breaking news! John Lloyd has been murdered. The police are on the case. Commissioner Steve states that they will host a clear investigation and will stop at nothing until the murderer is behind bars. This is Harold McGregor, signing off. Have a nice night, folks.
Is everything ready?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Did you do the deed?
Joker finished the job.
Magnificent. What now?
Batman's on to us. If we don't want to get caught, we need to keep moving. Penguin has a warehouse down south that we're going to move into tomorrow.
We will be ready.
We're back, Alfred.
Ah, Master Wayne. I heard about the assassinated official. Any leads?
It's Joker. I feel like something big is happening. Bigger than we could have expected.
Well, where do we start?
Our criminal activity trackers around Gotham report that the most activity is happening down here.
Penguin's nightclub's located down that street.
It's time I pay him a visit.
Let's go!
Alone.
Aw.
What brings you here, Batman, to my lovely nightclub?
I know you have ties with the Joker.
Why, yes, she does.
Joker!
Wait, there's more. Two-Face is already at my warehouse with enough ammunition to destroy Gotham.
The sun will never set on the Phantom Blizzard.
You can never win. Well, I just have to fight you myself. Okay, I tell you. It's on Willow Creek Street.
Are the bombs ready?
Yes, boss. Bombs are ready to load.
Okay. Be on the lookout for Batman. I heard he took down Penguin.
We will be fine, boss. Guys, it's Batman!
You just never stop, do you? Always getting in my way.
Give it up, Two-Face. You can't win.
Well, I've been waiting for this moment. Now die!
The bombs!
No!
Breaking news! The murderers have been caught. The police have found ties with Two-Face, Riddler, and the Penguin with the killing of the government official. Thank you, folks. Have a nice night.
In and out.